Hello, my name is Casey Wadlow, and I'm the Global Product Manager for Services here at AMETEK MOCON. As industry leaders in package testing instruments, we put our customers first at every step. That includes offering excellent, comprehensive service. We're excited to announce that our AMECare Performance Services Program has expanded to include our Dansensor product lines, featuring instruments like the Multi-Check 2 and our CheckPoint 3. This means that owners of Dansensor instruments can take advantage of this specialized program for calibration and repairs. We've developed these new options based on our years of experience and your customer feedback. The new program includes options to suit every need and to every budget. The AMECare Express option is designed to minimize the downtime associated with service. The AMECare Economy option provides quality calibration services for customers more focused on maintaining a tight budget. Whichever option you choose, our team of expert service technicians is here to make sure you are taken care of and that your equipment is always working at peak performance. We only use original replacement parts and NIST-traceable calibration tools, making it easy for you to show compliance with regulations and industry standards. When you rely on specialized technology, you want the highest standard of care and performance. We're here to make sure you have the results you can count on and to protect your investment through these comprehensive maintenance programs. To learn more about our AMECare services programs, please click the link below.